If you're looking for a soil thermometer, that this is the one good option for you. So all you want to do is put it 2 inches on the ground, and in less than a minute, the temperature will display here. I just will say don't put it on frozen ground. If it's snow or if it's frozen, then don't do it. Just wait until the ground is just you see the soil. Another thing that I like that is stainless steel, so after you use it, you can remove it and clean it with a damp cloth, and then it will tell you Fahrenheit and Celsius. Also check the seeds right temperature before you plant it. Here are very easy instructions. So other than that, is very useful. I like it when I'm planting my seeds. And I will say this is very accurate. I like the quality of the brand. So if you're looking for a soil thermometer, this is a solid option.